This is the Affirm Kit, and this is what that kit consists of. And of course, your label will consist of the full patient name, full social, date of birth, specimen type, provider, and date of collection. After you have your label, you will put it on the tube. Place your tube here. Grab your reagent and squeeze the glass till you hear the glass crushing. Okay, and once that is done, this is the swab that you will hand to the provider. And once the provider hands it back to you, you'll place it in the tube, break off the tip, and place your top back on.